AJ Styling. So welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're cool and I hope you're enjoying the content so far on the channel. Please don't forget to always use the like button, smash it. So let's get started. So we'll be learning how to make our 6-piece blouse, and we'll be using the pattern of a normal princess panel cut to make our 6-piece blouse. So if you want to learn how to make our princess panel cut, just go to the comment section. The first comment there, you see a link to the tutorial on how to make a princess panel cut. So I'll be using a pattern, already made pattern. I'll just show you how to construct it into a 6-piece panel, and then we'll cut on fabric and we'll sew. So let's go back to the work table. Okay, so this is our front pattern for the princess panel cut, and this is our back pattern, so you can just label it back. Okay, this is center back and side back, sorry. Then this is center front and side front. So I love to change this neckline. This is a normal, I use a normal round neck, but I want the neck to be a little bit wider, so I'll just alter it. That's why pattern making is good, it's beautiful. You can just do changes to your specification. So I want to take out this neck. I use the neckline wideness of 3 inches when constructing it, which is standard for round neck, but I want to take out 1 inch. So I want the neck to be a little bit wider, which is 4 inches. So I'll connect this back here with my French cord. So I'll just put it like this and make sure it aligns with the ends. And so this is why pattern drafting is good. You can do whatever you like. Imagine doing this. This was already cut fabric. You cannot start constructing on the fabric you've cut already. So I can easily take this out now. So this is my new neckline wideness. So I said you can do round neck, you can do V-neck, whatever neckline of your choice, you can do it. So it's a little bit wider now. Then for the back, because the neck wideness is 4, I have to do the back wideness to be same. If not, just check it out. Putting the shoulders together, you can see the excess already. So you have to do what you did to the front, to the back. So I have to increase the back wideness also by 1 inch. But I'll curve it back into the same depth. So just very easy. So just try to place it the way you want, and then you curve it. So this is it. Just curve it and good to go. You can even choose to make your back neck V-neck and your front round. Your back can be V. So you can choose to do anything. Play around with your fabric, your pattern. That's why it's pattern. You can play around with it. Just do creative, do something. Someone might see it and then like it. So for those that are just joining us, my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get to see more content in the channel. So now we're going straight to business. So let's start with the center front. This is center and center front. Okay, center front, side front. Sorry, that's why you label so you don't get confused. So this is it. So what I'll just do is, you know, this now is assumed that is on fold. So I'll put it on fold now, and then do what I want to do. I can also do it when it's not even on fold. Okay, let me just do it when it's not on fold so that you understand what I did. So I'll just place it on a plain paper like this. Now I want to reconstruct this now. Then you can use your maxing tape to secure it to the paper. So I want to trace out the waistline from our labeling. This was the armhole line or chest line. This is the bust point line, the bust line. This is the under bust, and this is the waistline. So it's from this line. This is the line we need now. Under bust, this is the waistline. So this is the line we need. So can just roll it like this to be sure. So what you do is take the measurement of this place, or just do the extension. So let me just show you. Just extend here by 2 or 3 inches. For me, I want to do 3 inches. Then you roll it. Then you connect the extension to the waist point. Or you can say, let's do it, maybe it's too pointy, you can go as much as the under bust. So the choice is yours, whatever you want. It's just your choice. So you can connect it to the under bust. So seeing this two now, whichever you want to use. So this pointed part now, just go up by 1/2 inch and then curve it back into it so that it will not be pointy when you sew it. So this is it. So by the time we cut this, we trace this out now. We trace the whole shape out. So this is our new pattern. Just trace it out with your biro or your marker or something. So this is our new pattern. So we're done tracing. So just take this first part out. So this is the new pattern. So this part that the masking tape covered. So this is the new pattern. You can see the shape already. So let's use this under bust. I think I prefer this shape and this shape. So I won't be using this. I'll be using this the under bust joining. So this is my new center front pattern now. So I'll do this. I'll repeat the same process for the back piece. So let me just cut this out and then you see what it looks like. So for the side front, just the same way we did for the center front. This is the under bust thing. So just roll it out so that you know this is where you're taking your slope from. So this down, this base, you can just roll it as well. Then, as usual, extend the line by 3 inches. This one we're doing it for both sides now by 3 inches. I didn't place, sorry guys, I didn't place my pattern paper away, so it might not go. Let me do it again. So this is our under bust line. Sorry for the previous mistake, I didn't place my pattern paper. So then this down. So on this line now, we'll take 3 inches on this side. It's almost the same. Just like we went through this side. So mark 3 inches. Then on this side, we mark 3 inches. So you connect it to the under bust now. And then mark 1/2 inch by the sides. Then curve it into it so that it will not be pointy. So this is it. So we'll just cut this, then we'll trace it out. When you're tracing, because of these bust parts, this curve, please be careful so that you curve out the exact shape of the bust. So this is it. So this is the side back now. So cut it. If you see now, it's looking like a peplum top already. You can choose to add interfacing if you want it stiff, you want it firm. You can choose to add interfacing, and the popular interfacing we have like ST, some people call it ST in our local market here in Nigeria, or canvas. You can get it, call it canvas. So it depends on the location and the market, but it's an interface, soft interface. So if you want to use an interface, just take the measurement of this wideness and then fix it here so that ear can be stiff, and then by the time you turn it with your lining, it won't even show. So it will be stiff to stand like a padded top. You see, this is the side back, this center, the front side front now, and this is it. So we'll be doing the same thing now for the back pattern. These are the two front pattern now. We'll be doing the same process for the back pattern, but just when I'm done, you see what it looks like cut on fabric. I'm done cutting. This is the back piece, and this is the two back pieces now, the center back and the side back. The center front and the side front. I just use different color of pattern paper that can differentiate easily. So now we're going to cut on fabric, and then we'll join all of this together, and then we see what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel to get updated when we drop the follow-up tutorial. Bye bye.